Cash value life insurance is a type of insurance policy that provides not only a death benefit but also a unique savings and investment component. This form of insurance is often associated with policies like whole life insurance or universal life insurance. Cash value life insurance can potentially provide you with a source of passive income through the cash value component of the policy. Here's how it can work. Cash value growth is a fundamental aspect of cash value life insurance. With each premium payment you make, a portion is set aside and directed into the policy's cash value account. Over time, this cash value has the potential to accumulate and increase, often with the added benefit of tax deferral. The growth primarily stems from the investment returns generated by the assets held within the policy. The growth of the cash value, fueled by premium payments and potential investment returns, can lay the foundation for financial stability in the long run. Moreover, policies like whole life insurance may even yield dividend payments, adding an extra layer of passive income potential. The growth of the cash value, fueled by premium payments and potential investment returns, can lay the foundation for financial stability in the long run. Moreover, policies like whole life insurance may even yield dividend payments, adding an extra layer of passive income potential. Policyholders also have the flexibility to access funds through policy loans, withdrawals, or by converting the cash value into an annuity. These options can be particularly valuable for supplementing retirement income or meeting other financial goals. One of the standout advantages of cash value life insurance is its tax efficiency, as gains within the policy often grow tax-deferred. This tax-advantaged status can make it a compelling choice for those seeking to maximize the efficiency of their passive income strategies. In essence, cash value life insurance demonstrates that insurance can be more than just protection. It can be a powerful tool for financial growth and passive income success. However, it's imperative to approach this financial instrument with careful consideration, seeking professional advice to tailor it to your unique financial objectives and circumstances. With the right strategy, cash value life insurance can be a key asset in building a more secure and prosperous financial future.